Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an ebook in Canva. We'll go from a blank page to a polished PDF you can share or print, keeping everything clear and professional. Whether you're creating an ebook for your Shopify store, a digital product, or a lead magnet, Canva is a fantastic tool to bring your ideas to life. Start by opening Canva and creating a new blank design using the A4 document size. A4 gives you a clean, standard page that prints well and looks great on screens, making it the perfect size for most ebooks. This size is also universally accepted for printing, so if you're looking to turn your ebook into a physical copy, A4 is a solid default choice. If you have specific requirements or know your audience prefers a different format, you can also customize your page size. Next, use the search bar and type ebook. You'll see a library of templates, many of which are multi-page sets that include a ready-made cover, a table of contents, and different chapter layouts. These templates are a great starting point, especially if you're short on time. Browse through a few to get a feel for the style and structure that suits your ebook's tone and purpose. When you find one that fits your vibe, select it. Templates are fully customizable, so you can change the text, images, colors, and overall design. If you prefer total control over the layout, you can also stick with the blank design and build from scratch. This is ideal if you have a very specific vision in mind. Now let's customize. Start with the cover. This is the first thing your readers will see, so make sure it's eye-catching and professional. Add your title and author name, and make sure to switch to your brand colors and fonts. Using your brand colors will give your ebook a cohesive look that aligns with your store's identity. Keep the title large and legible, and ensure there's enough contrast between the text and the background so it reads easily at a glance. If you're using a bold color for your background, consider using white or black text to create strong contrast. Move into the interior pages and shape the flow of your ebook. Add new pages where you need more space, delete any layouts you won't use, and drag pages to rearrange the order. This gives you the flexibility to tailor the ebook exactly as you want. Duplicating a page you like is a quick way to keep formatting consistent throughout the ebook, especially for things like chapter headers or design elements. This saves time and ensures uniformity in your design. Open the Elements tab to bring your ebook to life. Canva's free photos, icons, and illustrations can help reinforce your message and break up heavy text. You can search with specific keywords to find a cohesive visual style that matches your ebook's tone, whether it's professional, fun, educational, or creative. For branding purposes, upload your own images and logo, and maintain consistency with your color palette and fonts. Consistent branding throughout your ebook will make it look polished and professional, and help readers immediately recognize your store's identity. Add your content by typing directly into the text boxes or copying and pasting from another document. If you're working with long sections of text, break it up with headings, subheadings, bullet points, and images to make your content scannable and engaging. For example, if you're creating a product guide, use clear headings for each section, like Product Features or How to Use, to help readers navigate the content easily. Inserting a table of contents near the front is also a great idea, so that readers can quickly find the sections they're most interested in. As you go, pause to check for typos, spacing issues, and consistent styling. Canva's editor allows you to zoom in to proof individual pages and zoom out to view the entire ebook at once to ensure the layout feels balanced. This will help you identify any areas where text or images may be misaligned, or where the overall design could be improved. When you're happy with everything, it's time to publish and share. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PDF print for the highest quality and sharper text and images, which is ideal if you plan to print or distribute your ebook in high-resolution formats. Alternatively, you can pick PDF Standard if your ebook is primarily for web use and you want a smaller file size. This option ensures quick loading times when shared online, making it perfect for digital downloads or email promotions. Finally, click Download to save your finished ebook to your device. That's it! You've created a beautiful ebook in Canva that's ready to share with your audience or print for physical distribution. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy designing, and see you in the next one!